मैट्रिक बची चंद्र से रोजा
I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Shaitan. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Kareem, and Lord only Lord. Esteemed principals, sir, honorable guests, other staff members, teaching as well as non-teaching, and dear fellow mates, please accept my Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you. As you all know that we gather here to pay tribute to our beloved teacher, Mr. Wali sir, who is going to retire from his duties on 30 April 2024. Today, we gather to honor and celebrate the remarkable career of Mr. Wali sir. Mr. Wali sir was a man of qualities. There are no words to express the goodness and highness of Wali sir, who has dedicated his life to shaping the minds of countless students over the past 14 years. As he embarks on this new chapter of his life, it is only fitting that we reflect on the profound impact he has on all of us. Retirement is wonderful if you have two essentials, much to live on and much to live for. And the best thing is Wali sir has both of them. Wali sir has been more than just an educator, he has been a mentor, a guide and a source of inspiration. He has not only imparted knowledge but has also instilled values, encouraged curiosity and fostered a love for learning in his students. यादें रह जाती है यादें बनकर दिन तो आते हैं निकल जाते हैं. As Wali sir bids farewell to his teaching career, he leaves behind a legacy that will continue to inspire generations to come. His influence will be felt not only in the classroom but in the lives of all those he has touched. घड़ी ये अलविदा की है बिछड़ना लाजमी ठहरा, घड़ी ये अलविदा की है बिछड़ना लाजमी ठहरा, फिजाए दोस्तां को अब बदलना लाजमी ठहरा. हमें ऐसे बिछड़ना है गोया कल भी मिलना है, हमें ऐसे बिछड़ना है गोया कल भी मिलना है, लगाकर हाजिरी चुपके निकलना लाजमी ठहरा. While his retirement marks the end of an era, it also heralds the beginning of a new chapter, filled with possibilities and adventures. As he embarks on this journey, he carries with him the gratitude, respect and fond memories of his students, colleagues and the entire school community. शायरान दहर को अब है परेशानी नसीब, शायरान दहर को है परेशानी नसीब, करते हैं उस्ताद अकमल जमा दीवा इन दोनों. आंखों आंखों ही है खुल जाते हैं लाखों इसरार, आंखों आंखों ही है खुल जाते हैं लाखों इसरार, दरअसल उल्फत के लिए हाजत उस्ताद नहीं. अहले आलम कहते हैं जिसको शहंशाह सफर, अहले आलम कहते हैं जिसको शहंशाह सफर, मैं भी हूँ शागिर्द कौसर इस जगत उस्ताद का. जो तुम्हारी बात है वो ज़माने से जुदा, जो तुम्हारी बात है वो ज़माने से जुदा, शौकिया इजाद करते हैं बड़े उस्ताद हो. भूलेगा ना ये अकबर उस्ताद का ये मिसरा, भूलेगा ना ये अकबर उस्ताद का ये मिसरा, साकी दिए जा सागर जब तक ना हो बेहोश. वही इंसान है ऐसा कि जिसे इल्म है कुछ, वही इंसान है ऐसा कि जिसे इल्म है कुछ, हक ये है बाप से अफजो रहे उस्ताद का हक. Wali sir is a true champion of education whose legacy will continue to shine bright long after his retirement. Thank you Wali sir for your dedication, patience and years of service. May your retirement as your career has been cherished to new beginnings.